Hello friends, and in this video I will tell you about a very important dressing for zucchini. It must be done, if you want there to be a lot of zucchini, they ripen quickly, and you have already received an early harvest of delicious, homemade zucchini. Now we will talk about fertilizing, but it is the future of the year. I would advise you to grow only varieties of bush zucchini. Look how compact they are and how many zucchini there are already. There are both female flowers here, you see, they immediately grow with a baby squash. This is a female flower, but the pollinators, look at these are male flowers. They are revealed much earlier. There is pollen in it that pollinates female flowers and we get a harvest. You don't need to remove anything, they will fall off themselves when they fade. But if there is not enough nutrition for your bushes, then they, like cucumbers, will grow slowly, their leaves will be pale, the harvest will be crooked, and ripen slowly. But to prevent this from happening, you need to feed them now in this phase of growth. When flowering just begins and the harvest is laid, and I will use potassium humate for zucchini. This is the best balanced top dressing. It is sold in any garden store. The main thing is to pay attention to the production date. And of course, if it is written on the package that there are trace elements in it, then this is an additional food that will benefit your zucchini. They will increase in size, and this season I will not suffer from a lack of nutrition. They will be as beautiful as mine. I added 2 caps of potassium humate to 10 quarts of water, which is equal to 30 milliliters. This will be enough for fertilizing at this growth phase. Potassium humate has a beneficial effect on soil microorganisms that process food into easily accessible for zucchini. Therefore, by introducing potassium humate into our beds, we thereby further increase fertility, and top dressing is applied as follows. Under 1 bush, we will need 1 quart of ready-made top dressing. But in advance for a couple of hours, you need to water the zucchini. As you can see, the soil is wet under the zucchini. I also have a small recess made so that the top dressing does not spill past the bush. Therefore, friends, if you also want to get a large harvest this year on your zucchini, then feed them with potassium humate. To whom the information of this video was useful, be sure to put a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, in order not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you great harvests and a good day. See you in the new videos.